Sunflower oil, one of the purest and most widely used edible oils. Let's see how pure and healthy sunflower oil is made from nature's golden harvest. Fully matured sunflower heads are collected using modern machines, and seeds are separated from them. These seeds are then transported to advanced oil mills and processing plants. The first step is seed cleaning. Powerful cleaning machines remove dust, sand, stones, and unwanted particles. The seeds are then dried at controlled temperatures to reduce moisture and ensure the perfect condition for oil pressing. Next, the hard seed shells are removed. This process is called dehulling, which improves the quality of the oil. The dehulled seeds are now fed into the oil pressing machine, where high pressure extracts the raw sunflower oil. This crude oil passes through multiple filtration systems, gradually removing all impurities. During the refining process, the oil is deodorized, neutralized, and stabilized, enhancing its color, smell, and clarity. Every batch undergoes strict quality control tests in the laboratory to ensure purity. Finally, the refined oil is filled into bottles through an automated bottling line, labeled and packaged for distribution. This is how pure, nutritious, and healthy sunflower oil is made from sunflower seeds.